discover and seek new horizons that unfold. It's the moment when bodies of knowledge are gained, as the spirit of wisdom in our souls are now exclaimed. With every step we take, we forge paths anew. We will never break, it's true. As we are one, we're united. We will stand, hearts ignited. We are one, moving forward in this quest. We'll face life's every test as we are one. Though the shadows at times may enter our hearts, doubts and fears intervene and they start to tear us apart. But we won't give in, our strength is within. We'll keep up the fight, and day after day we'll do what is right, guided by the light, dispelling the stigmas away. With every step we take, we forge paths anew. We will never break, it's true. As we are one, we're united. We will stand, hearts ignited. We are one, moving forward in this quest. We'll face life's every test as we are one. Hand in hand, we'll strive to be in that land of empathy. Open our minds and we will find deeper connections through our introspection. We are one, we're united. We will stand, hearts ignited. We are one, moving forward in this quest. We'll face life's every test. Moving forward, we'll face life's every test as we are one. PAPJA.